Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Alexa to create smart home routines step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Alexa-enabled device is set up and connected to Wi-Fi. Download the Amazon Alexa app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and sign in with your Amazon account. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner. Select Routines from the menu options. In the Routines section, tap the plus icon to create a new routine. Choose a name for your routine that clearly describes its function. Tap on when this happens to set the trigger for your routine. You can select options like a specific time, voice command, or smart device action. After selecting your trigger, tap Add Action to define what you want Alexa to do. You can choose from various actions, including turning on lights, playing music, or providing weather updates. Follow the prompts to customize each action, setting parameters as needed. Once all actions are added, review your routine to ensure it meets your expectations. If everything looks good, tap Save to finalize your routine. Your routine is now created and will activate based on the trigger you set. You can edit or delete the routine at any time by returning to the Routine section. Explore additional routines to maximize your smart home experience with Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.